your partner.
Let me just derail a bit. Okay, there are a lot of videos nowadays asking guys. Okay, would you choose your partner or would you choose your parents?
I think the straight answer is I'll choose my partner. My parents have been there for a very long time with me. Okay, they know my good, bad, and ugly, and they have accepted me like that.
Correct.
My partner is not somebody I am born from, or we have been born together.
And मुझे लगता है ये question in general ही wrong है.
This question is a completely again chicken wala question hai.
Parents are not an obligation. Okay, parents are parents एक दूसरे के लिए भी तो है.
हाँ, I mean they have their partners for that.
They have their partners, right? Your mom has your dad and your dad has your mom.
See, I
and
think
if they don't have themselves, then you cannot fulfill their role for each other.
I am secondary to their partner. I am a child born out of them.
एंड दूसरी बात ये है कि अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स का भी ख्याल रखना चाहते हो ना, द बेस्ट वे टू डू दैट इज कीप योर पार्टनर हैप्पी. Because if your partner is not insecure about you spending time with your parents is going to affect your relationship, then your partner is never going to say no.
Of course.
Right?
अगर आपका partner secure नहीं,
I think I'm going to be a little bit more subjective in this statement. If you wouldn't have given me that kind of like importance, priority in your life,
security, right?
Okay, that kind of like I would say compassionate and also equality in terms of taking decision what our life is going to be, I would have been an insecure person and also not been able to accept your mom or your dad or things, anything that you do out of your way for your mom or your dad.
Of course, every time you would have seen me giving this respect to my mom or dad,
Yes.
you would feel insecure.
Yes.
And वो कैसे आएगा? लड़ाई से आएगा.
बिल्कुल.
Right?
Then I will try to take that attention negatively.
Negatively, right? मैं बहुत बार बोलता हूँ.
बहुत सारे कपल्स यही करते हैं.
Negative attention seeking.
ठीक है. तो घूम फिर के बात यही आती है कि आप अपने पार्टनर को प्रायोरिटाइज करो एंड आप और आपके पार्टनर मिलके इन लॉस को देखो.
Of course, I mean this is how life is.
That is how you can like strategize things.
See, you are my primary circle. My parents become secondary circle when I'm married.
True.
Right. Same goes with everyone, I guess.
True. And I think in India also ये जो एक mama's boy या फिर एक कल्चर है, थोड़ा सा मतलब रिग्रेसिव है या फिर थोड़ा सा ऐसा है कि लाइक पति को सब्स्टिट्यूट करने वाला कल्चर है ये, जो कि मुझे लगता है कि शुड बी
अबेंडेड. जब तक होगा तब तक लड़ाइयाँ होंगी. बिल्कुल. ठीक है, ये कोई जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं है कि ये ऐसा कल्चर है या ऐसा कुछ है,
क्योंकि चाहे वुमेन
ये अनहेल्दी पैटर्न है.
बिल्कुल, चाहे वुमेन हो मैन हो, ठीक है. आई फील अगर आपका जो पार्टनर जिसके साथ आप हम बिस्तरी कर रहे हो, आप उसको प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं करके किसी और को प्रायोरिटाइज कर रहे हो ये सोच के कि उसने मुझे जन्म दिया है, they have like given me everything, then see that was their responsibility. Your partner's responsibility comes because of your responsibility towards them.
Of course, I mean यार ऐसा है ना कि अगर कोई, मुझे लगता है I'm telling you on camera, अगर कोई अपने
listen to it guys.
हाँ, लिटरली अगर आप ममाज बॉय हो, मैं आपको ये बात लिख कर दे सकता हूँ कि आपका पार्टनर तो हैप्पी होगा नहीं, आपकी मदर भी हैप्पी नहीं होंगी. आई कैन बेट दैट कि आप अगर उसको खुशी कह रहे हो ना, अगर आप सच में बता सकते हो दिल पे हाथ रख के, योर मॉम वुड नेवर फील हैप्पी इन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सिनेरियो.
डेफिनेटली
वो हमेशा आप यार भले खुश हो, स्माइल करें, लेकिन अंदर ही अंदर ना मुद्दा चलता रहेगा. That problematic scenario would always keep on happening with her also.
And I think you guys don't want your wife and your mother fighting.
Nobody
you don't want a
that.
bitch fight.
Right.
Okay, because it is very ugly for you to also even handle.
I think ज्यादातर
लड़कों का दिक्कत हो जाएगा. इतना स्ट्रेस क्यों ले रहे हैं आप?
ज्यादातर लड़कों की दिक्कत ही यही है. They always tell me, आयुष मैं पिस गया हूँ, इधर जाऊँ मम्मी के पास या बीवी के पास.
बिल्कुल.
ये तो सवाल ही नहीं है.
आपको किसी के पास नहीं जाना है, आपको अपने पार्टनर के साथ रहना है ताकि आप और आपके पार्टनर डिसीजन ले सको.
See, I'll tell you something. आपके साथ कमरे में जो है ना, that becomes your primary.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. It's always that case.
बिल्कुल.
Until you were in my life, my mom was living under the same roof. She was my priority.
बिल्कुल.
Now you have come, you are more in proximity with me. You are my priority first. She would be always there, but she is secondary.